The 3 by-election, for instance, in Nyamira will determine umwelekeo Gusii in national politics. And a lot of force. Nyamira, the entire government ya company Nyamira, opposition Nero Mwara today no barenge. It's because the impact by election that the results by election will determine the future of the siasa ya Gusii.
Igone gento kere tariko iru light rim na bantu bagateba tarigendo muntu koligera linga bona obukura bogweta igabwa bwa MC abantu baye
it is not tariko itiko jitakura jebo MC chirine chikoro cha national chigo shape national dialogue nganga yesiasa go take route to kura yobo MC yoto to konyora abantu bali bonsi pi bale Nyamira bagotokororo ni narrative ko ba created nga Gusii direction ya tekri. And I can tell you for free that if in case the candidate Matiang'i go support they don't win, you will see a narrative that will come out of it. So for him it's a do or die.
Na karoto kuligera pado go nga whatever that will happen ngebwatemba kitiko cha anamo go somoske Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Parameters nchira odonga nchinde sebiroge bitato nataka ko win ya minimum of 1 ya minimum of 2 go senata ko win Beyonce if possible impact maiko rekananga na error ere strong egere abande nchire bakumurana baje tabanga ntwatema twamubwake ntwatema tatu bwetrand slide o maite chi excuse nchire chiko cha after having again onyuko bweke mo tabanga mati nyalenge twamumyo kiso abintu munege parameters njo ara set tinta jindenga at least the list I need to get korose
chi word chirisa to Nyamira must be won each candidate chiri ya go support if UDA serikali ya UDA ne bwana ne kiroge kamo they will have made a big mark
bagwa keshare because they will have shown ngana obara to konyora chikura koru Gusii. And that is why you've seen the entire UDA machinery campaign in those by-elections. You can imagine they are being led by the chief whip with National Assembly. Yeah.
So the significance of each by-election.